Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is another extreme clean with me, and we are going to be decluttering, cleaning, and hitting some areas that I desperately needed to declutter and really reorganize. This is also a collab with my friend Amanda from This Crazy Life. She is actually one of my closest friends here on YouTube. She's absolutely amazing. I'm sure you've heard of her, but for those that haven't heard of her yet, you guys are going to love her. She is also going to be sharing some cleaning motivation with you guys and also decluttering and organizing an area in her home. So I'm really excited for you guys to check her out. Definitely go subscribe to her because you guys, she's going to be uploading all kinds of fall videos this fall. I absolutely love watching her fall videos. She's going to do hauls and shop with me's, home decor. She's also going to be doing a room makeover in a couple of different rooms in her home. And when you go ahead and pop over to her channel, please comment and let her know that I sent you guys. I would really appreciate it. And without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and jump right in. So we're gonna go ahead and start cleaning my room. It was a hot mess. The first thing we are gonna do is take off all of my blankets and sheets and go ahead and wash those.
Around the corners, steady, but only as long as I get you there to hold me, and I got you there to hold me. Never stop calling like magic. You're lifting off the shade from my mood. I'm keeping it together for you. I'll go with you all the way to the moon if you're keeping it together too. Keeping it together for.
So right now I'm just putting away some clothes that I recently bought for a trip, and I also got some bathing suits sent to me recently. So I am going to be showing you guys a little bit of a swimsuit haul in a day in a life video coming up. I thought it would be just something fun and different, and it's not sponsored or anything, but I thought I would share it with you guys anyway. So we're gonna go ahead and start decluttering my linen closet. This was a hot mess. I'm sure you can see. I had everything under the sun in this closet. So basically what I want to do is do like a maintenance cleaning. So when I do my yearly or my bi-yearly declutter and reorganize in my home, that I don't have so much work to do. That it's not like an extreme mess and doesn't take up most of my day. So that is why I'm going to be doing some little bit of decluttering here and there throughout my house throughout the year now. these are the things that I'm going to be donating. And then I have another pile that is trash. And then I'm going to go ahead and take that fan and put it in our room.
Have two purses. If I don't, I'll never know what I'll miss.
So now we went ahead and head downstairs to my kitchen. We are going to clean up the kitchen, and after we're done cleaning up the kitchen, we're going to go ahead and declutter my refrigerator. And if you guys are over here from Amanda's channel, hello, I am Lindsay, and I do all kinds of like cleaning, organizing type videos. I do some family vlogs once in a while, and I'm also going to be doing some fall shop with me's and home decor and all that fun stuff because I just love fall. So if you're into all that, please consider subscribing to my channel and also turning on that little notification bell just so you don't miss a future video. Say hi! Say hi! So now what I'm going to do is I'm not going to do my typical reorganize and declutter. If you guys are new, I've actually done a couple of these videos. I will have them linked below, but I'll usually take everything out of the refrigerator and the freezer and put it on the counter. But since I'm going to do kind of a maintenance declutter, I'm just going to go ahead and kind of clean as I go. I'm going to check for expiration dates on products, toss those, and things like that. Wipe off sauce bottles and all that good stuff.
Tell me, why do you think he's not there with you now? Been right there by your side. Look up outside, the world is waiting. Could all be yours, that's what I'm saying. Don't waste your life.
So what I'm doing right here is just dumping everything out of the plastic bags and throwing the plastic in the recycle and then throwing everything else in the trash.
Of time, turn it back just to see you smile. Here's your big mistake. You need to know. Just let him go. Just let him go.
So the mix I'm using here is vinegar with a little bit of lemon essential oils. ahead and move to the freezer. I do have a mess in the freezer. It was actually really hard to come up, so I did have to get my towel really, really hot and soapy, and I really scrubbed it, and it came up.
Put your head high, girl, this time is run out. Now you gotta have some fun. So come on, put your head high, it is time to get out. You just gotta let it go.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe. Striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta.
So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put everything away and finish the dishes. Since I threw out some old food or old leftovers, I had a few dishes that I accumulated. So I'm gonna go ahead and just clean those. If you guys enjoyed this video, I would really, really appreciate it if you would give me a thumbs up. If you are new and you just subscribed, thank you. I hope to see you in another video. For all of you guys that are returning, I appreciate all of your guys' support and love that you guys leave me in all of my videos, and I will meet all of you down in the comments.
Bye, I love you.
That was Ava. And also, don't forget to check out Amanda from This Crazy Life. I know that you guys will love her. I will have all of her links down in the description box, and I will see you guys later. Here is the comment of the day.
Bye.
Bye.
And comment of the day. Boop. Bye.